Greetings, explorers of the cosmos. Prepare for a mind-blowing journey through the most enigmatic corners of our solar system. Today we'll reveal 13 secrets that will leave you speechless. Mysteries that challenge our understanding of the universe, from colossal storms to icy worlds with hidden oceans. Fasten your seatbelts, because takeoff is imminent. Are you ready to question everything you think you know about our cosmic neighborhood? Join me on this fascinating journey where science and mystery intertwine. Number 13, the possibility of life on Europa or Titan. Are we alone in the universe? We begin our countdown with a question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? Although we don't have a definitive answer, two moons in our solar system, Europa and Titan, offer tantalizing clues. Europa, an ice-covered moon of Jupiter, may harbor a liquid ocean beneath its surface. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has a dense atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Could these exotic environments harbor life we never imagined? Continued exploration of these worlds could reveal one of the greatest revelations in history. Number 12, the strange object Oumuamua, a visitor from another solar system? In 2017, astronomers detected an interstellar object passing through our solar system. Named Oumuamua, which means messenger who arrives from afar in Hawaiian, this object had an elongated shape and an unusual trajectory. Was it an asteroid, a comet, or something else entirely? Some scientists even speculated that it could be an alien spacecraft. Although its true nature remains a mystery, Oumuamua reminds us that our solar system is open to visitors from other worlds. Number 11, Jupiter's enormous red spot, a giant storm that surpasses Earth. Imagine a storm so colossal it could engulf our entire planet. That's exactly what Jupiter's Great Red Spot is. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years, and its size is impressive. The winds inside reach speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. Although scientists have some theories about its origin and longevity, the Great Red Spot remains one of Jupiter's most fascinating mysteries. Number 10, the active geology of Enceladus, an icy world with water geysers. Enceladus, a small moon of Saturn, hides a surprising secret: geysers of water that sprout from its south pole. These geysers expel water vapor, ice, and organic matter into space. Scientists believe Enceladus harbors a liquid ocean beneath its icy surface, and that these geysers are a window into that hidden world. Enceladus's active geology makes it one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. Number 9, Neptune's atmosphere, hurricane-force winds on the blue planet. Neptune, the planet farthest from the Sun, is a world of extremes. Its atmosphere is whipped by hurricane-force winds that reach speeds of up to 2,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest in the solar system. These winds generate gigantic storms, such as the Great Dark Spot, which, although it has now disappeared, showed us the power of the Neptunian atmosphere. Despite its distance and hostile environment, Neptune remains a fascinating planet that challenges us to understand the limits of atmospheric physics. Number 8. The peculiar rotation of Venus, a day longer than a year. Venus is a planet full of oddities, but one of the most puzzling is its rotation. Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that a Venusian day is longer than a Venusian year. Furthermore, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most of the other planets in the solar system. What caused this unusual rotation? Scientists believe it could have been the result of a collision with another massive object in the past. Number 7. Jupiter's magnetic field, an invisible shield protecting the gas giant. Jupiter, the gas giant of our solar system, is surrounded by a powerful magnetic field that is 14 times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic field acts as an invisible shield, protecting Jupiter from the charged particles of the solar wind. Jupiter's magnetic field also generates impressive auroras at its poles, similar to the northern lights on Earth, but much more intense. Number 6. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, the giant of Mars. On the red planet, Mars, rises a sleeping giant, Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. This volcanic colossus is 25 kilometers high, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base has a diameter of 600 kilometers, approximately the size of the state of New Mexico. The vastness of Olympus Mons gives us an idea of the geological activity that once shaped the surface of Mars. Number 5. Saturn's rings, a cosmic spectacular of ice and rock. Saturn, the Lord of the Rings, is one of the most beautiful objects in our solar system. Its rings are made up of billions of ice and rock particles, ranging in size from dust grains to boulders the size of a house. Although the rings appear solid from a distance, they are actually very thin, averaging only 10 meters in thickness. The origin of Saturn's rings remains a matter of debate among scientists. Number 4. Pluto and its status as a dwarf planet. Why did it stop being a planet? In 2006, Pluto was demoted from a planet to a dwarf planet, a decision that generated controversy and debate. Why did Pluto lose its status as a planet? The International Astronomical Union defined a planet as an object that orbits the Sun, is massive enough to be rounded by its own gravity, and has cleared its orbit of other objects. Pluto meets the first 2 criteria, but not the third. Its orbit is crowded with other Kuiper belt objects, making it a dwarf planet rather than a full planet. Number 3. Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede, a world hidden under the ice. Ganymede, the largest moon of Jupiter and the entire solar system, is a fascinating world with a complex geological history. Its surface is covered in ice, but beneath that icy layer there could be a liquid ocean. Ganymede is the only moon in the solar system that has its own magnetic field, suggesting that it has a molten iron core. Future exploration of Ganymede could reveal secrets about planet formation and the possibility of life on other worlds. Number 2. The dust storm on Mars, a phenomenon that affects the red planet. Mars suffers epic dust storms that cover the entire planet for weeks, affecting its temperature and atmosphere. The cause of these is unknown, but it is believed to be solar radiation and topography. They are a challenge, damaging equipment and hindering communication. But they offer to study the Martian atmosphere and climate. The persistence of these storms raises the question of whether, in the long term, they could affect future colonization of the planet. Number 1. Temperature differences on Mercury, a world of extremes. We arrive at number 1 on our list with a planet that challenges our conception of what is habitable, Mercury. The planet closest to the Sun experiences the greatest temperature differences in the entire solar system. During the day, the temperature can reach 430 degrees Celsius, while at night it can drop to -180 degrees Celsius. This extreme variation is due to Mercury's lack of atmosphere, which cannot retain heat. Despite these inhospitable conditions, Mercury remains a fascinating planet that teaches us about the limits of life and adaptation in the universe. And so, we come to the end of our tour of the 13 most surprising mysteries and curiosities of our solar system. I hope this trip has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to continue exploring the secrets of the cosmos. From the possibility of life on Europa and Titan to dust storms on Mars and temperature differences on Mercury, our solar system is full of wonders that defy our understanding. Continued exploration of these worlds will help us answer fundamental questions about our place in the universe. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mysteries of the Cosmos channel for more fascinating videos about the universe. See you next time, explorers!